morning, everyone. I think I slept about 3 hours or so because of someone who had a bad dream. Not gonna say who, but someone. Oh wow. Look at that. We have hail. You see it? Right there? I'm gonna break my windshield, silly. That's awesome. We have hail. I totally forget that we live north of San Diego, where it's colder. I don't even know if you can see. But yeah, it's starting to hail. Who knows what temperature it is? We'll have to look it up. And it is a lazy day, movie time. She's watching her weirdo violin movie. I have no idea what it's about. All I hear is and then the violin every other 5 minutes. It's probably the world's saddest movie. And as soon as that's over, it's my turn. They can watch mine. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Leave me alone.
Who's my little chubby bunny? Who's my little cuddly one?
Leave me alone.
She's trying to watch her movie.
Stop!
So guess who took a nap? If you guessed me, you were right. If you guessed both of us, you were extra right. So guess who took a nap? If you guessed me, you were right. If you guessed both of us, you were extra right. We watched a couple movies, took a nap. And now it's the evening hours. As you can see, it's not quite dark out yet, but it's getting there. It's been a rainy, lazy day. Pasta time with homemade mashed potatoes. And hers has zucchini stuff.
Eggplant.
Eggplant. Looks good though. And after a long day of nothing, we're gonna get going to bed. So, good night guys, see you tomorrow. Okay, bye.